Hello friends, welcome to Harsh Chemistry classes. Today we see infrared spectroscopy from the branch of spectroscopy. We see in IR Spectroscopy in Harsh Chemistry classes. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. This is the IR. This is first we see what is IR spectroscopy. IR spectrum is essentially a graph plotted with infrared light absorbed on y-axis against frequency or wavelength on x-axis. In IR means infrared, means an illustration highlighting the different regions that light can be classified into is given below. IR spectroscopy detects frequency of infrared light that are absorbed by a molecule. Simply, which IR detects frequency of infrared light that is absorbed by the molecule. Molecules tend to absorb this specific frequency of light since they correspond to the frequency of vibration of bonds in the molecule. IR is nothing but the infrared region vibration of bond. This is the ultraviolet, visible and infrared region. The energy required to excite the bond belonging to a molecule and make them vibrate with more amplitude occurs in infrared region. Simply in IR there is a vibration and then vibration of bond in the infrared region. A bond will only interact with the electromagnetic infrared radiation however it is polar. There is a energy required to excite the bonds belonging to a molecule. Energy is required for a bonds and to make them vibrate with more amplitude. Then vibration, then energy gives, then there is a vibration. A bond will only interact with electromagnetic infrared radiation if it is polar. Polar means they have plus and minus charge, and in that region when the bond interact there is a polar bond, means plus and negative charge. Then we see regions of the infrared spectrum. Most of the band or bands that indicate what functional group is present are found in the region from 4000 centimeter inverse to 1300 centimeter inverse. Means what the IR use to detect the band that indicates the functional group which is present in that molecule, and their frequency from up to this 4000 centimeter inverse to 1300 centimeter inverse. Their band can be identified and used to determine functional group of an unknown compound. Functional group region 4000 centimeter inverse to 1300 centimeter, and there is one more thing is that fingerprint region. The CID also use that fingerprint region, and which is in infrared spectroscopy. IR detects functional group and their range 4000 centimeter inverse to 1300 centimeter inverse. There is a region of IR spectrum. Okay. Next will be principle of infrared spectroscopy. What is this? IR spectroscopy theory utilizes the concept that molecules tend to absorb specific frequencies of light that are characteristics of corresponding structure of a molecule. The energies are reliant on the shape of molecular surface and associated with the vibronic coupling and mass corresponding to atoms. For instance, the molecule can absorb energy contained in the incident light, and result is faster rotation for more pronounced vibration. Okay, this is the principle of IR spectroscopy. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.